Hi, in this video we are going to see a 10 technical difficulties that is faced by a YouTuber as a beginner. So let's start. The first one is a video quality issue. So these can be a setting up a wrong frame. As a beginner you don't know what exactly to capture, how to capture, and maybe the composition settings you don't know. You need to learn a lot where you make a mistake regarding a resolution. You can get a higher footages but you can't edit well, or during edit the quality and size of the video get reduced, or as a beginner you don't have right equipments, or due to less money or a cost you just select a cheaper one. It's okay, these are very common and normal for the beginners. You just have to take precautions. Either you will record into low resolution and edit into those software where you have less specs of your laptop or device. If you want to record into very HD, definitely buy those equipments if you have a budget. But yes, you can adjust somewhere, at least at the beginner level. Then later you can improve all these, upgrade your all the softwares and the equipments. The next one is audio problem. So clear audio is a crucial point in the video because viewers are here to listen what you are trying to say, and if that is not clear, definitely they are going to frustrate. And as you can see, so it can be a background noise, echo, or a tone of your voice, the way you speak, everything matters. And at the beginner level you make all this mistake. So as you can see, I always shoot in nature, so there is a huge background. I try to reduce as soon as possible, but still, but it's okay. These are the problems that every beginner faces, and you just have to improve. So you can have some different devices and mic that you can use so that you can get your quality. Also, there are a lot of process. You have to process your voice, and then you can do in like edits and all over there. You can improve all these things, but still at the recording, if it's better to use at better quality, then this problem will resolve. If you're going to pre-process that, remove the noise and all, you're just making your audio quality good. At that time, there are some software though just support to respective formats, so you have to take care of that. So I'll share one of my mistakes that I use some recording on mobile where the format of file is something WAV, and that was not supporting into the Audacity software. So it's like entirely video I have completely recorded, and at the end I got to know it's not supporting. So it's literally just a waste of time, but you learn something. And the next one is lighting issues, where at a beginner level you will face a lot of this. So initially nobody has any equipment. You, if you're into good light, then definitely the visuals are very clear and you will understand what they are trying to say. You will connect with them. Lighting is very dark, very low, angle matters, and all these settings affects on the videos. So at beginner level you will just struggle a lot to just set up all this. We don't have any lighting setup, so you just have to use the natural light, and सुबह जल्दी उठ के रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता है. The next one is editing software familiarity. Definitely you are learning everything, so you don't know much about software. It takes a lot of time to edit a particular video. So the main reasons you don't know the settings well, you don't know how to use. Even after a beginner level you just learn something, but still it's difficult to navigate कहाँ पे क्या है. You are just struggling to find how to save, from where to save, and even after a lot of efforts you have edited, then there are some quality related issues, size issues, and maybe the video doesn't load higher quality, and definitely your device support and everything matters. So due to this issue you will feel like I have done a lot of work, but the end result is not that much satisfactory to you. The next one is file formats and compressions. So these face a lot of issues, like This can be related to a recording a video, recording a audio, and it's like entire shoot I've done, and later I got to know the complete files are not loading at all, or downloading this file. So one more point is, even after editing and the recording, everything is done, at the end when you are downloading, at that time the compression and quality get reduced. So I recorded everything into high quality, and that was not supporting at all by devices. If you have a gear of the good quality, definitely you are going to try everything at higher level. So it's like you're recording into 4K and 60 fps or above that. But you must first check, does it supports on your mobile phone, does it supports on your laptop. The next one is internet connection problem. So these are again common issues where you are done with everything and you are just trying to upload or download something from a network, and you just face this issue. So this is general, everyone faces, but still you are at the middle where the 50% is uploading done, or something is like some percent done and connection loss. So you have to start again from zero. So if you are rendering or downloading video after you edit, at that time also, if it's done 80% and you just randomly stop, or by mistakenly you just click something, it will just halt and stop or crash that device entirely, and you have to start again. So it just wastes your time. So be prepared for it. Lucky if you have a very high-end computer, then it's feels so these issues are not going to be. But at a beginner level, definitely nobody has such a expensive level hard disk and laptops with them. So be ready for it. The next one is using equipments properly. So here you will get a lot of issues. So these are basic things. The angles, study of entire photography, it doesn't matter. At initial level you should know everything, how to do this, that, but still if you're facing this issue, then definitely you need to learn how to use a gear. You don't know exactly how to, what are the best settings of your camera, what are the best audio recording. It can be a software or it can be a mic or speaker, anything, where you are just going to understand the better settings of them. So it's okay, these are the issues that you will going to face, but you have to take some precautions, and you just have to learn or refer some people or what settings they are using as per your gears and requirements. The next one is battery and power management. So this is very important. Just like mobile phone, you just have to take care a lot of your camera battery, mic, Bluetooth, mobile phone, everywhere. If you are doing outdoor shoot, definitely you should have a power backup and many more things. So this power management is very important, because you are planning some shoot and at that time battery is down, then you will face issues like loss of your content. You can't able to record such a best place just because of your mistake. So be prepared for it in advance. So there is one video I have created, how to save battery for this Pocket 2. You can refer that. How exactly we can manage any device. Next one is understanding YouTube's upload requirements. So at beginner level, you will be like, अरे यहाँ से upload करना है, and that's done, fine. But there are a lot more settings that you have to do. You just have to check for the title, description, tags, frame rate, sizes, everything matters. So these requirements are, I'm not talking about just video is done and you are just uploading. At that time you have to take a precaution. It's about while recording, you just have to capture properly that which aspect ratio YouTube supports. It's like 16:9. You can't record everything into square or horizontal or vertical, so you just have to look everything. So all these bit rates and format matters, because YouTube also support a dedicated format. So as you can see in the screen, I have shared some of settings that YouTube have this requirement, so that you can refer and understand. Definitely this type of all the data you will get anywhere on the Google or YouTube videos that many creators have explained well. But yes, before starting, you should do this, or yes, the first video is always an experiment and try out, so you will get to know many more issues like this. The last one is technical supports and resources. So these are things like, if you started everything, you have gears, you have script, you have a content, you have idea, channel and everything, but you are facing a lot of technical issues, what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do, and many more this WH questions. So definitely you have a YouTube, you have a number of creators, refer them, learn from them. There are many playlists about to do content creation, how to set up YouTube growth, how to create a new channel, for beginners guide, precautions you have to take, and many more. So if this is less for you, then go for the forums, blogs, websites. There are especially creators who then they give you courses, and this comes at the very last stage. But yes, there is the internet and you can learn anything from anywhere. So initially you will face a lot of issues, but you will get a solution. You just have to do some R&D and that's it. So as you can see, the any famous YouTuber where you can go and see their oldest video into their field, you will see at initial level what are all the mistakes they have done that you are doing. Your first video is not a film, but you have to try. It should be look like a film. You will face a lot of issues. Still, I haven't covered entirely, but I hope this 10 points will be useful for you to understand. These are the common mistakes that every beginner does, and we have to learn and solve these issues and go ahead. Here you are still watching, it means yes, you are ready to be a YouTuber. You want to know such a more ideas and some issues that actually as a beginner I face, I just share them into these playlists, and please watch them, learn, grow, and see you on your channel. Bye.